If you suspect your girlfriend might like someone else, look for changes in her behavior and habits. For instance, she might act less affectionate with you than usual. Or you may notice her hiding her phone or computer screen when you walk into the room. If she's suddenly always busy and you find that it's harder to get in touch with her, that could also be a sign that she's involved with someone else. Pay attention to the way she talks to you, too. If she gives you vague answers when you ask her about her day, or if you notice inconsistencies in her stories about what she's been up to, then she might be trying to cover something up. Keep in mind that none of these things necessarily prove she's into someone else, so try to give her the benefit of the doubt. If you're really suspicious, talk to her about your concerns in a calm, non-judgmental way.